like Matthews might come in very handy in our line of work.
That's true. Ira agrees. Matter of fact, he's becoming a little insecure about his job. But look at this. I got a 4-page printout this morning entitled Dependable Printed Circuitry versus Inexplicable Phenomena. You believe that?
Oh, it's too much.
Now, about your punishment.
Punishment?
That's right, punishment for staying on an assignment after specific orders not to.
Steve, I had to prove that Colonel Decker lied about me, and you know it.
Colonel Decker is now Private Decker. As far as your punishment is concerned, I'm sorry, Diana, but I'm going to have to insist that you take a real vacation. Plane tickets, hotel reservations, and specific orders to have the time of your life.
Steve, I don't want to go.
Go.
Well, there's no suntan lotion in here, and I burn very badly. I don't have anything to read.
No books?
No books. No film for my camera. Cute. Well, you want to go with me?
Wednesday.
What's happening?
First, TV's #1 show is back.
The Masked Singer.
With a premiere so big, it'll leave you sing double.
Oh my God, that's two people?
Then, can you spot a bad singer without ever hearing a single note?
They trick us!
It's the ultimate musical investigation.
Last scene, door!
Ken Jeong hosts I Can See Your Voice after The Masked Singer. It's a night of premieres, Wednesday only on Fox.